Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. And now you have to click open and then click continue, and here you have to select your default browser, or you can just click cancel, and now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to your Firefox account, or you can click not now again, and you can turn notifications, or you can click not now. Now you can pick your theme, or you can just click save it to continue, and you can select your toolbar placement, or you can click save it to continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.